How to integrate Cardinity into Opencart. Go to www.github.com/Cardinity. Open Cardinity Opencart repository. Click on Releases. Choose your plugin version. For this video, we will be using the latest plugin release for Opencart 3. Download the zip file of the plugin. Extract the Cardinity plugin zip file. Copy, upload the folder's contents. Paste it into your Opencart main directory. Log into your Opencart admin panel. Go to Extensions, Extensions. From the drop-down menu, choose Payments. Find Cardinity and click Install. Then click Edit. Enter your consumer key and consumer secret, which can be found at your Cardinity account. Set status to Enabled. Click Save. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by phone, email, or through our website.